The human body is not a design, it is a series of compromises that evolution never had the option to undo. The human spine was inherited from quadruped ancestors. It evolved as a horizontal structure and was repurposed for vertical load-bearing without fundamental redesign. The result is that roughly 80% of humans experience significant back pain at some point in their lives. The human retina is installed backwards. Photoreceptors point away from incoming light. The blind spot exists because the optic nerve has to exit through a gap in the retina to reach the brain. Humans share a single passage for both breathing and swallowing, the pharynx. A small flap called the epiglottis must correctly route every breath and every swallow. No other mammal is as vulnerable to choking on food. This happened because speech required the larynx to descend. The recurrent laryngeal nerve loops from the brain down into the chest and back up to the larynx, a detour inherited from fish ancestors whose hearts sat directly below their heads. The pelvis narrowed for walking. The skull expanded for brain size. Human childbirth is more dangerous than any other primates, two pressures pulling the same anatomy apart. Evolution does not build from scratch. It modifies what already exists. Every flaw in the human body is a record of where we came from and what it cost to get here. Follow our world and beyond. The human body is stranger than anyone told you in biology class.